Hi, welcome back to Latte Regards Devanshi. I am, well, you guessed, Devanshi. And I just had my first event. Crush Cafe had its first event last week, and we're having our very next event this week. And oh my god, I cannot believe the response that I got for the event. It was just so amazing and just so beautiful, and the experience that I got from hosting the event was, honestly, I can't explain it. I just cannot explain how I feel about this. At the same time, I start my dissertation also. When I started my master's program, the only thing that I was excited for, to be very honest, no offense to any other fields, subjects, modules that I've had, I've enjoyed them a lot, but the only thing that I was super interested in was the dissertation. And I am finally starting that. I have everything in place. I know how I want to write my paper. I know what topic I want, what my methodology is. I have been planning for this paper for the past God knows how many months. And I am just so excited for that. But honestly, what sort of stuck with me is why I'm not able to just stay still and be in that moment rather than focusing on what I'm going to do next. I don't know. I honestly struggle with it a lot. It's a feeling that I am not able to feel that rush that okay, I've done something, I'm proud of myself for doing something, and because I'm not getting that rush, it sort of makes me feel as if the next thing that I do is going to give me the rush. So I keep on doing multiple things at the same time, and I keep constantly focusing on what I want to do next, just so that I can feel that rush in my body. What happens when I'm not able to sort of enjoy those memories is that it makes a lot of motivation just deplete. I cannot just stay consistently motivated to do something, and it feels like as if I'm not made for it because I'm not able to enjoy it, and then it goes into the whole vicious circle of I'm not able to do it, I'm not good at this, I'm not able to do it, I'm not good at this, and it goes for multiple things at the same time, whether it is business, whether it is career, whether it is studies, academics, everything, every literal thing. I sort of just go back into the spiraling of am I good at this or not. And honestly, even though I know that I am just good at this, even though I know that this is something that I've been wanting to do for the past years, around 8, 9 years at this point, and I knew that I never wanted to do a job or be in a 9 to 5 corporate life. It was just very difficult for me to accept that okay, this is how I feel my rush. I'm not a rush person. I am a very calm bodied person. It is very difficult for me to feel rush, and I still try to wake up every single day and just continue doing whatever I want to do regardless of the motivation. Am I getting it? Am I not getting it? I just continue to do that. It also sort of affects the energy I put in my work a lot, because in my mind the spiral just keeps on sucking out so much energy of mine that I keep thinking that okay, maybe I'm not meant for this. So I am not able to put the enough energy into my work, and then I feel more sad because why am I not able to put more energy into my work? And another spiral starts. The amount of spirals I have in my mind just regarding my work is insane. It is, I don't know about you, but I can go crazy at any given point if it hits the right trigger. But you know what helps? When I want to regain that energy, when I want to sort of just again revisit those memories, I just stay still. I just close my eyes and I think about those moments again and again and again and just hope that it works. And sometimes it does. Sometimes I am able to revisit them. It makes me feel good. Sometimes I'll ask for external validation, which is not the best idea, but for an initial push, it is. At least for me. Would I recommend it? I don't know. It probably depends on how you like your validation. So I go and ask for feedback. And I try to take that positive feedback into me. I don't try to sort of think like, oh, they're just saying nice things about me because they know me. I try to take whatever feedback I've been given as nicely as possible, whether that is negative feedback or that is a positive feedback. I just try to take it. And then I actually sit and think, what else could I have done? Is there any chance I would have improved this event or work, and how could I improve it? What can I do better just so that I have that better experience? But while I'm doing it, I also think about what went well. Did people enjoy it? Did my professors feel that my paper was good enough? Did I enjoy writing the entire paper? Did I enjoy the process of preparing for the event? And honestly, that sort of helps bringing in that value that I need in everything that I do. And then that just boosts my motivation and boosts my energy like that. And then I feel like I'm on the top of the world. Then I feel like nothing can stop me and I'm about to chase my dream life. And honestly, you know what? I am chasing my dream life. I am living my dream life right now. And there is nothing I could do to swap it. This is how I want my life to be for the rest of the years that I have. The moment my energy and my motivation goes up, I feel confident. I feel that I can just do whatever I want to do. And honestly, there is nothing that feels better than this feeling. I just cannot wait to be with myself, to center in myself, to ground myself, and feel that value for the things that I do. And honestly, if that is something that you struggle with, I'm not here to give tips and tricks. This is not that kind of a video. But what I can do share is sometimes grounding yourself and revisiting those memories is something that can help. Ask for feedback. See how you felt in the presence of their in the presence of other people. How did they feel when they were around you? And that kind of a feedback can sort of help you ground and just align with what you've done, and that is going to help you bring in value. With that, I'm going to sign off for today, and I'm going to see you next week again. And I'm in a very good mood today because I've completed one event, I'm prepping for the next event, I'm doing my dissertation, and honestly, life cannot be greater than what it is right now. With that, I take your leave. Signing off. Latte regards, Devanshi.